On anyone's list of fun conversations, but it is a necessary one as it impacts the future of your family members and your loved ones. Navy Mutual is the oldest federally recognized veteran service organization. We provide counseling on service related benefits granted to our active duty and retired service members, as well as veterans and their families. This does include SGLI, VGLI, and Survivor Benefit Plan, and everything in between. At Navy Mutual, we understand our members and we are here to provide life insurance coverage that protects your family at the lowest cost possible. As a nonprofit organization founded by military members for military members, we understand the worry that can come with service. But we don't want anyone to worry about whether their loved ones will be taken care of after death. We do what we do to provide peace of mind by providing financial protection to those who protect us. So stay tuned and learn how life insurance works, go over what you need to know, and get the answers to all your questions. Welcome, welcome. Today we'll be discussing whether you should protect your children with life insurance. I'm Ryan Hutchison, and I am a Navy Mutual new member specialist here to help you navigate your life insurance needs. April is a month of Military Child and Military Saves Month, so we thought it'd be a great topic to start off and finish off, April. So, fun fact, Forbes likes to come out with studies every year about how much it costs to raise a child to the age of college. 2018 report says $235,000 from 0 to 18. Adjusted for inflation these days, that's upwards of $285,000 to raise a child these days. So life insurance is about protecting your family from financial hardships that could occur after a loved one passes. But not too often do we think about protecting our children with life insurance. So let's start off with defining what life insurance for children is called. Juvenile life insurance is life insurance coverage for children. While adults typically purchase life insurance to replace lost income or to cover estate expenses, juvenile life insurance is often purchased to prevent a family from going into debt to pay for funeral, burial costs, college loans, or any other expenses should the unimaginable happen. The peace of mind can help alleviate these financial aspects of tragedy. So we're having a discussion, and it's a conversation, not a lecture. So if you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to throw them in the comments and we can address them during the live stream. So we might have the same question. I would also like to remind you that we do have a newsletter, an e-newsletter that you can sign up through our website. The link will be available here in a second, but it's www.navymutual.org. Pretty simple stuff. So 3 other reasons you should consider insuring your child or grandchild while they're young. So the 3 reasons are going to be guaranteed insurability, affordability, and cash value. And those are the 3 main ones we're going to talk about today. So definitely get those questions going, and let's get it started with guaranteed insurability. So because most life insurance policies for children are permanent policies, by purchasing one, you're protecting their future insurability as well. A lot of people don't think about this. This means if something happens to them when they're older that would prevent them from getting life insurance, or any coverage for that matter, like developing a medical condition, or maybe they pick up a hobby that's risky, or maybe they are not able to afford it, and we'll get to that. You protect their future insurability. So this coverage is in place younger, and that allows them to protect any future needs as well. And it grows with them as they get older. So keeping in mind that future guaranteed insurability is important, especially if you have family history of cancer or heart disease in your family, something that definitely runs into your family when you get it when they're younger and that stuff hasn't presented itself. That only will help their future financial planning. Now, affordability is important. Obviously, we want to make sure it fits everybody's budget, and affordability is important when you talk about life insurance. And kids' life insurance is super affordable because, again, typically most often life insurance is less expensive the younger they are. So if you're young and you're healthy and you get the life insurance, then it's going to cost less and be a lot more affordable. Furthermore, initial life insurance coverage needs for children are low, so the coverage amount will be a little bit lower as well because they don't have the same type of dependent needs relying on their income. So health, age, and level in coverage are what determines, and those make the life insurance more affordable because that's what generates the premiums. So many families realize this, and they get the policies for their kids when they're younger because you're never going to be younger or healthier than you are right now. So the permanent premiums for policies that are whole life are typically level as well, meaning they don't increase as your child gets older like some other policies. So not only are they younger and less expensive when they get it, but they remain level or fixed. So it's a locked in price based on their age when they get the policies. And as I said, they're never going to be lower than they are right now, the younger that they are and the healthier that they are. So cash value is the last one. Save it for last because it's the most fun. This really shows the living benefits of whole life policies and why you would definitely cherry on top get a policy for a child. Because again, because most juvenile life insurance policies are permanent policies, they include an element separate from the death benefit called cash value. The cash value can be borrowed against, usually tax-free, for various financial needs like education expenses, mortgage payments, available upon termination of the policy. By purchasing a permanent insurance policy when your child is young, the cash value has the ability to grow and earn interest over a significant amount of time versus waiting when you're older and there's less time for compounding interest to work its magic. So the cash value is another huge element. So guaranteed insurability, affordability, as well as the cash value element in juvenile policies. So thank you so much for your time today. It's been great, and I look forward to hearing all the great questions you got coming our way. So just know that life insurance policies are seem complicated, and it seems like we're throwing a lot at you, and that's why we're here to help kind of sort through that. I know it's all a lot all at once. So if you need any other type of help, you can feel free to reach out to Navy Mutual, or you can even replay this broadcast at another time. So feel free to come back and review it. And then we look forward to seeing you at our next live stream. Until then, stay safe out there.